Well, Doug, we're out and about. How are you feeling?
Okay, Frank. I had a double dose, weren't happy, but I'm on the mend. So hard luck for you. Here I am.
Yes, well, hopefully a fish or two.
Yeah, don't see why not. It's going to be a scorcher today.
It is going to be a warm day, 34 they're saying.
Yeah.
But hopefully it won't be 34 by the time we pack up.
No. No.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm under instructions from the boss. If I get too hot, I've got to pack up. I've got to take plenty of water. Have you taken your sunscreen? Forgot. Yes.
Alright, so what are you fishing?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll ask you again. What are you fishing?
What am I fishing?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Float? Ledge?
Oh yeah, I'm going to go a ledger over there, and then I'm going to go a punch master float over there.
Okay.
They're guaranteed to catch.
Oh, apparently. Yeah.
Hope so.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
I'm just going to watch.
Oh yeah?
Oh, I got that big fish last trip. I don't need another one.
Yeah. Well, that was a good fish, wasn't it?
It was. Have been a while since I've caught one that big.
Yeah. Oh well, that's good. Let's hope there's nothing in here that big, but
No.
if you got double figure, you'd be going well.
You would. Alright, let's get into it.
Okay.
Doug's finished being evasive. I'm going to fish, well, yeah, with what you were going to fish with. You hummed and you hard and you carried on like a pork chop. Yeah. I'm going to fish a feeder out there and I'm going to fish unweighted in close. Let's see how we go. So what you got, Doug?
I don't know, Frank, actually. I think it's a...
Yeah. It's,
oh look, it's one of them.
yeah.
It's the smelly... I haven't done my net yet either. It's a smelly long neck.
Ah, well...
Thanks for coming over with your camera.
Yeah, that's alright. Don't miss a chance.
Embarrassed me.
And he swallowed it. No, he hasn't. How convenient. Oh, gee, I can smell that from here.
Can you?
Yeah.
I can't because I've got a cold.
Oh. Well, so far that's COD.
Oh.
Catch of the day.
Look at that. Thanks for your support.
No worries, Doug. Anytime.
Yeah. I'm on the board.
Well, are you? Had a bit of a take.
I think I've had one more recent than that.
Just playing around with it. Doug's got a happy recovery fish.
It's very small, I would say. Oh, look at this. I'm taking it, Frank.
Minnow category?
Yep, I don't care.
Yes.
Yes. Oh well. What are you? I'm a roach.
Yeah, I saw him say that.
Yeah, do that.
Didn't hear him say it.
No. There you go. Oh. Look at the size of that.
Monster. What you got, Doug? Another roach?
I think it's a little bit bigger than that.
It is a little bit bigger. Very good.
That's Mr. Average for him.
I see you got another surgical operation happening on your hat there.
Yeah, I forgot me peg. I had put a peg on my shirt to remind me.
Yeah, and you forgot the shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah. After about 10 little bites, I've got one of Doug's roach.
That's not as big as mine, Frank.
Yeah. Underwhelming, I call it. So where's all the fish, Doug?
Right there, Frank.
Yeah. Well, I guess you can't argue with that.
Missed one and caught the other.
Yeah, I missed the little one in the corner. Where's he gone? Oh, he's not playing dirty, that's good. Normally they head straight for the reeds.
Well, and we were a bit early, so I know that the mudlarks go down in the mud and that, and I said I was going to go, and also if I was only down there 10 minutes, yeah, it's amazing. But it's illegal to get out of the licence. Oh, okay. And then I had to make sure I didn't go through that mud because she was going in the theatre. Yeah, she wasn't.
Well, he's not that big.
They fight though, don't they?
They do, it was a good take.
A meal of it.
Yeah, well, when the fishing's this slow, you've got to make most of it.
Yeah, they must be little babies growing up.
Oh, that's
Thank you.
there you go.
Fish of the day, Doug.
Yeah, I know.
We have this little competition called Fish of the Day.
Yeah.
Currently I'm in front. It's a bit sad when this is Fish of the Day, Doug.
Oh yeah, we haven't finished yet.
We haven't. Well, those two fish have taken over 2 hours, so we've got 2 each and we've been here for 2 and a bit hours, so it's not exactly killing it, that's for sure. So what happened to the forceps, Doug? I see you've got a peg on there now.
Well, I know you want to embarrass me, Frank, but I reckon my bag, which is wherever it is here, I think I had it on there, I had it over my back, I walked around there and it fell off. And so my mate, I don't know who that is, but my mate found it, and it is one of mine, it is my one.
Yeah, right.
Because I only use that colour because it matches my eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. So he found it, so I'm very grateful.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
Maybe a donut would see you right.
Haven't got any with me. Too hot. Chocolate and milk.
What did you say just then, Doug?
Jeez.
Do I have to get out the little piggy with the brush?
That was a big fish that swam into the line.
Okay, how'd you know that?
Because my float never went down, but my line tightened right up.
Okay.
And that was a good fish.
Mm.
I didn't hook it though, because my bait's still there.
Well, good fish, any fish, have been few and far between today, which is a bit surprising because the conditions are pretty good. It's a bit breezy.
Around there, but
Yeah.
not eating.
No. I've had a number, like 6, 7, 8 line tightens, nothing there, or I suspect just very small fish. I've changed the unweighted rig for a feeder, and I've gone a lot closer to the reeds, and we're not going to stay a hell of a lot longer, so we'll see if that makes any difference, because I have managed to get the bait right at the base of the reeds. But it's just one of those days. It's warm enough, the fish should be on the go. We've seen a few around, they're just not biting. Isn't that right, Doug?
Yeah, whatever you say, Frank.
Oh, see, he's so easy to get on with.
Oh. Come in a bit.
Well, Doug, it's going to be a short video today.
Oh well, yeah, well, at least we're out here, Frank.
Indeed.
Yeah, I've had to put up your moaning for 3.5 hours.
Well, you've had a month off.
Yeah, I suppose, yeah, I've sort of got over it a bit and now I'm, yeah. Anyway.
Back in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Just hasn't happened today.
No, we had 2 fish each, had a few bites each, don't know why. All the conditions are perfect.
Yeah. No, I don't know either, but yeah, it'll just be a short video, won't it? 4 fish.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
No.
Don't matter. And can I just say something to one of our listeners?
Okay, now let me guess who it is.
Go on, you go.
Not the guy who does concreting, is it?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Yeah, because I was really upset.
Were you?
When he said about putting 2 spoonfuls of concrete in the cup of tea. Because I'm not quite sure what
you need to harden up, Doug.
I'm not sure what he meant actually.
And that's exactly what he meant.
He sort of like started typing out and going, what a good bloke is. You know, Doug is, I'd go fishing with him, all that. Oh, he's just mentioned my name. I'll put 2 spoonfuls of concrete.
You've mixed up 2 comments, Doug. He didn't say that in the same comment.
Didn't he?
No. Are you okay, or is the senility really kicking in now?
Yeah, it's kicked in, Frank. Actually, he kicked me in there.
It was 2 different comments. I think it might even have been 2 different videos. But never mind, never mind. I mean, so you'd like to say that to Glenn, would you?
Yeah, and if I'm not your favourite anymore, I don't care.
Okay.
All right.
I'm sure he will come back with an appropriate response. That's Doug's last cast.
Was you filming that?
Of course I was, Doug. You never know when the camera's on.
I don't know. I don't normally talk to my float like that.
Yeah, well, you can talk to it, but I don't know if it's going to make any difference.
Last cast.
Yeah, it's last cast. I did have one very sharp bite on the feeder right up against the reeds, but no. And the other feeder, 1 fish. 1 run, 1 fish, that's it. Very quiet and rather disappointing. We thought it would turn on today, but not to be. Never mind. Right, we're starting to pack up now. We've put in 4 hours, it's almost 11 o'clock. 2 fish each. 4 fish in 4 hours and 4 rods. That's not great odds, but that's the way it is sometimes. I think I was a bit spoiled in my last trip a couple of days ago with that big carp at Wind Vale, so perhaps expectations might have been a little high today, but we did think we'd get maybe 4 or 5 each. Never mind, that's the way it goes. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. And
It's that time, isn't it?
it is that time.
Bye,